You don't have time for printer failures. When your printers are down, so are your operations. This results in legacy infrastructures costing you time and money. Remove the hassle with Zebra's industrial printer range. You'll print more easily, confidently, effortlessly, and securely. Using Zebra's Print DNA tools and applications, you can deploy new printers faster than ever before. Now you can easily remote setup, access, and manage printers anywhere, anytime. What about the legacy existing printers? They are worth more than you would expect. With the Zebra Trade-Up program, you benefit from additional discounts, significantly reducing the investments when renewing printers. Combining that with Ingram Micro's flexible financial solutions offering, refreshing with Ingram Micro and Zebra has never been easier. Contact your local team to benefit from this opportunity.